In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can remove or revoke the access of any file or folder that you have shared to someone in the Google Drive. So first let's open our Google Drive either via the desktop application or using any web browser of your choice. Then once you are inside your Google Drive homepage, you can simply click on this My Drive button on the left hand side to better access the folders. So I have shared this new folder with someone else, and now I don't want them to access this folder again. So all I need to do is simply click on these three vertical dots right here, and from here I can choose this share option by hovering my cursor and clicking on this share button. Then once this dialog box appear, you can see that I have shared this folder with this email address, and currently he is a viewer of this folder. So if I want to remove the access or to revoke the access, all I can do is simply click on this drop down arrow right here, and from here it has given me an option to remove the access. So to remove the access, simply click on this button, and here you can see that the people with access is just me, and the other email ID has been removed, and they won't be able to access this folder ever again until you choose so. And yes, don't forget to save these changes by clicking on the save button, and here you go, the access have been updated. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.